Hello everybody and welcome to another Tech Minute video. My name is Tom from 6 Foot Networks and thank you for joining me. Today I'm at my house, still in the middle of the renovation of the old office, trying to get it taken care of before my in-laws arrive tomorrow. But I wanted to leave you with this Tech Minute real quick here before I get going for the day. And this one's going to be about using automatic login on macOS. So by default, there's a feature that gets turned on when you create a new computer or a new instance of macOS when you install it. If you don't put in a password for your user account, which you can do, it'll notify you telling you that that's a bad idea, but you can still proceed. What will happen is it'll enable the automatic login, which means you don't have to type a username and password, and the login window doesn't pop up. It just goes right to your desktop. Now, one of the things that, one of the arguments there might be, well, if my computer is in my bedroom and it doesn't leave and I'm the only one in my house, well, sure, there's times when maybe that feature would be appropriate to use. But even then, what happens if somebody breaks into your house and steals your computer? All they got to do is turn on the computer and they have access to all your data. It's a great idea to use a security suite like File Vault to encrypt your drive. And, of course, all the major manufacturers now have native encryption, hardware encryption, and full disk encryption suites available, usually for no cost. They're built into the OS, and you should really make use of those. I understand that there are arguments to both sides, but if you want to be safe and secure and you're concerned about your privacy and your data, and you know what the value of that data is, then you may benefit from making sure that your computer does not automatically log in. I hope this helps. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you really like this video, then please consider subscribing, as it does help our channel grow and allow us to create content like this for you. In the meantime, good luck and thank you for watching.